don't have to convince anyone to love us. It's not something you force. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. It's your girl Miss Leos. For the new subscribers, welcome, and for the old one, thank you for coming back. In today's relationship talk, I'm gonna be talking about signs to know his true feelings for you. Does he really loves you? Every girl always asks that question, always wants to know that question. If a guy really truly loves them, the guy's feelings are real. And I've did my research and I've experienced most of these things that I want to talk about in this. Ask some of my married friends, and which they told me. You see me looking down, no, I jotted some points so I won't be able to forget most of the things that I want to say. There's a point in every romantic relationship when you start wondering, does he love me? Sure, you spend a lot of time together, you've known all of his flaws, all of his favorite movies. He told you enough stories about his life experience that you are getting a firm grasp on who he is. He also done things for you that you are convinced that he doesn't usually do for other people. What does it all mean exactly? Is he starting to care for you? Is it going to lead to anything serious? Could there be a chance that he might be falling in love with you? Perhaps he already is. You can go ahead and ask him. But since you are here, that's probably out of the question, right? Maybe you're too scared. You don't know the kind of answer you're going to get when you ask him. The possibility of rejection is very real, and asking such a big question might ruin the whole thing even before it starts. So this leaves you as a wit end. Don't worry, this is not uncommon. We are all different people after all. There is no such thing as reading someone else's mind. The good thing is there are signs to know the depth of his affection. There are signs for you to know if he truly cares for you. There are signs to know if he loves you. The number one sign I'm going to be talking about is he considers you as a priority. You're going to come across people in your life who will say all the right words at the right times. But in the end, it's actions, not words, that matters. You might not always understand the way he communicates verbally, but you can always rely on his actions, especially when it's about his priority. Here's the thing, he has many things to keep him busy: career, family, personal goal, and yet you find that he still makes time for you. He still makes you his first priority. You are increasingly becoming more and more important to him. It's not less about him, what he wants, and more about you and what makes you happy. Your opinions matters and you are involved in his decision making. In short, you just count. He's going to make time to be with you even if it's hard for him. Second one is he listens to you. Not only does he listen to you, he remembers every word you say, every word you guys talk about, every conversation you guys have. He hang on to every word and he respects what you have to say. Can't help but take note of everything you say. He pays careful attention to you. He listens to you. He listens to you without any distraction. He never wants to interrupt you when you are talking. It's when he remembers even the tiniest detail that you know that is more than life. He loves you. Number 3, he's not afraid to share everything with you. This is a major sign that he loves you. Men are usually not the ones who loves to talk about their feelings. It takes so much effort for them that you know it really means something for them to express their feelings. He's not afraid to answer all your questions. He's not afraid to hide anything from you. He is absolutely open for you to get to know him inside out. He wants you to be a part of his life, even if you get to know everything about him, even the bad. Number 4, he wants to be a part of your life. Just as much as he wants to share everything with you, he also wants to be a part of your life. In fact, he wants to immerse himself in it. He does not just want to meet your family and friends. He goes out of his way so that they will like him. He tries to spend time with the people who matters to you. He even wants to be a part of things that you are passionate about, that you love to do. He wants to go swimming with you because you love to swim. Even that's not what he wants to do. When he starts participating in your life because he wants to belong in it, that means he truly loves you. The 5th one is he makes big plans with you. You know he's committed to you because your plan as a couple are getting bigger and bigger. He's not afraid or conscious to commit in these plans. No need to be vague about it. Even instead, it goes that extra mile for you to know he is in need for the long run. The sixth one is he feel protective over you. Men are naturally protective over their women. The male testosterone make them feel protective over their mates' welfare and well-being. So naturally, if he loves you, he will want to protect you. This can be beyond merely shielding you from physical harm. He also wants to protect you from every negative influence or situation. He shows that he cares for you by wanting to help you out from every circumstances that might affect your overall well-being. The seventh one, he knows about the bad things, the wrong things that you have done, but still choose to be with you anyway. You are no longer afraid to be your true self when you are around him. He sees you at your worst, but he sticks around anyway. He already noticed all your annoying tricks. Maybe you always leave the toothpaste tube open. Perhaps you even snore. Truthfully, there are 1,000 things about you that might be unlovable to him. After all, you are not perfect, but he doesn't care at all. In fact, he sees that and value it. Even when we are so frustrated with the people we love, we just can't give up on them, can we? That is probably how he thinks. He says he loves you in the many ways that count. He might not have told you he loves you with words, but you see it in every of his action, in everything he does. See it in the way he looks at you. You see it in the way he cares for you. It shows it in the simplest gesture. We don't have to convince anyone to love us. It's not something you force. It's not even something you spend so much time wondering about. True, genuine, honest love feels so natural that you don't have to question it. It goes on and on about how special you are. Guys don't always go out of their way to give girls compliments. But if he has helped you see how you stand up from the chairs on your business venture, promotion at work, or exercise class, whatever it is, there is good chance that he's into you as much as you are into him. The 10th one, he cancels plans to be with you. Guys who are in love suddenly lose interest in what else is going on in their life. It's kind of cute. His body will be annoying, but you get to spend as much time as you want with him. If he's always ready to hang out, then he's in love. Okay guys, these are the 10 signs for you to know if your man truly loves you. Always watch out for these signs. You might not be able to ask him, or he might not be able to communicate it with you, but you can know through these signs that I've just listed for you. You can know his true feeling for you with these signs that I've just listed. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video, and see you guys on my next video. Bye.